Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, can you guess what we're cooking? I got some buns. I got some cheese. We got some Au Jus gravy, ranch, pepperoncini. That probably gave it away.
Yeah.
We are going to be making some Mississippi sloppy joes. Now, I know so many people eat that Mississippi roast, honey. I love it. So why not do it with some hamburger? I've seen it done with chicken. I've seen it done with meatballs, little smokies, honey, all kind of way. Everybody loves Mississippi roast.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to make us a little sloppy joes. We are busy today. Don't have a lot of time for nothing. And this is going to be perfect. So let's get into cooking this and show y'all how to do it. Alrighty, I have got my little cast iron pan here getting hot. I was waiting on her to start screaming, but anyway, we're going to go ahead with it. I've got 2 pounds of hamburger meat, ground beef, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to mash this up. Now, I'm not going to be adding a lot of salt to this right away because we're putting the ranch, that pepperoncini juice, and this Au Jus in it, and that's got plenty of salt in it. So we're going to be mindful of the salt. We don't want to be feel like we're licking no salt block. I'm going to go ahead and put my little onions in here. Let them get happy with it.
Yeah.
Move that right out of the way. Now I am going to go ahead and put some pepper on it. Look at it. The hamburger don't have a whole lot of fat in it. Look at it. It ain't even, look at there. Sticking to the bottom a little bit. And that's good. We'll have to drain that fat off of there. We just go add something else in it anyway. So let's go ahead and sprinkle a little pepper in there. Get that a going. Should I go ahead and I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my little seasonings in there because I want to taste this and make sure it's got enough salt. Now we are going to add some ranch. Now you can get the packet of the ranch seasoning like this. You can get the packet of it, but we buy the big old honking thing of it. And it's football season, honey. We've been making dips and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we've been doing some peanuts, y'all.
All kind of stuff. So we're going to do 3.
Y'all here in the South, y'all know about them boiled peanuts.
Yes, honey. You would know. 3 tablespoons. Speaking of peanuts, y'all, we went to, I guess I shouldn't say this, but
yeah, we're going to say it because I tell you what, that's... We do better here at the house than that.
We went
and they were charging good money for them.
Yes.
And
we went to a rodeo. We
Yep.
didn't tell that part. Went to a rodeo. I'm going to go ahead and put this Au Jus in there too while I'm talking.
yeah.
We went to a rodeo. I was like, oh, look at there. Everybody's got peanuts. They smelling so good.
Yeah,
I said,
cups
oh.
and cups everywhere.
Yep. Oh, we're going to go get us some peanuts. Some boiled peanuts. So I get this quart of peanuts.
Yeah, no big, pretty looking peanuts.
Beautiful
Man, wherever they
peanuts.
got them, whoever farmed them
Good
peanuts,
stuff.
they were good looking peanuts, man.
But let me tell you, somebody missed a step.
They
Washing
missed
them.
the most important step.
Washing them.
Yeah.
I was just crunching,
It
gritty,
was dirt.
gritty.
You was eating dirt.
Yes,
The whole
it was
cup was
awful.
dirt. It was
Awful.
dirt. It don't matter how good you flavor them.
No.
It don't matter how good you cook them.
Nope.
If you don't take the time,
Now wash them up.
you ain't got no good peanuts.
It's like collard greens, honey.
Yes,
You gotta
exactly
wash them.
like collard greens.
You gotta clean them suckers
It
up.
was a cup of dirt. That's
It
what it
was.
was. A whole cup of dirt.
Needless to say, we're still a little bitter.
Yeah, I'm more than a little bitter because you pay hard-earned money and you want.
That's right.
You want good peanuts.
That's right. I'm gonna add a half stick of butter. We're gonna let this just melt around a little bit. Yes, we were all upset over that. I
Then we
said,
didn't have
"Lord."
enough money to get the funnel cake. She was wanting the funnel cake.
They only had cash.
Yeah.
We used up all our cash.
We used up all our cash
I said, Lord.
and was $1 short to get that funnel cake.
And I know that was
And
good.
that made us even more salty.
I know that was good.
Yeah.
I tell you. I'd already had a piece off of my grandson.
It was supposed to be a birthday treat.
Yeah.
And it didn't work out that way.
No, so it is what it is.
Yeah.
All right, I'm letting this butter melt down just a little bit.
She's looking good.
She is, ain't she? Lordy. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pour a quarter cup of this pepperoncini juice in there. And I'm going to put a half a cup of the pepperoncinis. Now, if you don't want that much, honey, you do you. Don't do it. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, and we're going to let this simmer. But first, I'm going to taste this and see where we're at. I tell you all the time, honey, taste your food.
I tell you what, she's looking good.
It's starting to, yeah, it is. All right, let's give it a little taste. Let me get a little different spoon. Get a different spoon on that. It'll taste real ranchy right there. Give it a little taste, see where we're at. It does not need any salt. It's good. I'm glad I didn't add none.
Yeah, that ranch has got a salty.
Now, I'm going to add a half a cup of water in here. And we're just going to let this simmer, get happy, do its thing. And while this is simmering, honey, I'm going to take those big old beautiful buns over there. And I'm going to put just a little bit of butter on it, and I'm going to toast them and get them ready for this sloppy Joe mix. And so simple, y'all, a few minutes.
Yeah.
And like I said, I'm going to let this simmer. I'm going to turn it down so I don't cook it clean to death. And
oh, look at that.
Look at it. Yummy, yummy. I love that on Mississippi roast. So,
man, what?
And I've already had these, so I know they're delicious.
Yeah.
It's some good stuff. It's a little variety if for some sloppy joes, if you like sloppy joes. I love sloppy joes. I've had that conversation. I made sloppy joes before.
Yeah.
And just love them. So we are going to just enjoy this quick little lunch. And I'm going to start toasting those buns. We'll be back. It's all ready. Didn't take but a few minutes, did it?
No.
No time at all.
Quick.
By the time I toasted those buns, honey, it was ready. And we slapped just a little provolone cheese on it. Yummy. It's ready to go.
Yeah.
It is ready. He said, how am I going to eat this? I said, it's not
she
fancy.
Says, it's a sloppy Joe. That's just supposed to be sloppy.
That's right.
All right, y'all, here we go. It's sloppy.
I would eat over it, though. That was a pretty good bite there. Get your paper towel. You ain't making a mess? What are you doing? He can't even talk. He's got a mouthful. Yeah. Must have been pretty good. You didn't drop the fork.
I didn't have a fork.
Drop the mic.
That's a wrap.
It's good.
It's fantastic. Mm-hmm. Flavorful. Man.
Yeah, just a few ingredients.
I'm going to tell you what. That's taking it to the next level.
And you didn't have to cook it all day. Listen, I simmer that little roast. I throw it in the crock pot and let it cook through the day.
Yeah.
You smell it all day. This is just shortcut, honey.
Hey, and it gives it that same flavor.
Same flavor.
Yeah, them peppers just give it that flavor.
Does.
It tastes just like the roast. It really does. Quick, too.
It is.
And the cheese. Oh, man, that's next level stuff. The onions and the cheese.
Yep.
Ooh, y'all.
And of course, you can add whatever you want in yours. I bet mushrooms or whatever.
Oh man, yeah, mushrooms would have been good. Yeah, make it almost like a cheesesteak.
Yeah.
Man,
some peppers.
Delicious.
Here we go.
Yeah, the wheels are turning, y'all.
Yeah,
we got it. Hey, there's the next one, y'all. There's another video right there. That's going on the list. Pepperoncini cheesesteak. There you go.
We skipped right over the
It don't stop with me, y'all. I'm always, the list is growing and growing. Hey, when you do this every week, you got to come up with different stuff.
You do. Yep. You do. It's sometimes harder than what you might think.
It is.
But we still have a whole list of stuff we ain't done.
We do. We try to keep things you know, we try to not do the same stuff over and over and keep different stuff.
Yep. This is not a real old recipe. Y'all know I've been on the old recipe kicks. And if you have any old recipes that you'd like to share with me, honey, send them. I love it. Love it.
She does. And I do. I love them too. Especially stuff I had never tried or even heard of before. That's great. Yeah, like the tomato pudding and
all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, and man, stuff I ain't never heard of. That was awesome.
That's one reason I collect cookbooks. I love cookbooks because I'm looking back at stuff and I'm like, oh, I have never heard of that.
She gets so excited. She's like, oh man, I can't wait to try this.
I do. I love it. I do. But this is an easy one, y'all. This is something quick. Like I said, we wanted something quick. And thought we'd bring y'all along for the ride.
Yeah, and thank every one of y'all for wishing me a happy birthday.
Yes.
We did a little short for my birthday. We had a fantastic weekend. We went to the rodeo a couple of nights.
And y'all seen my precious little baby.
Yeah, that made it. That was the best birthday present I could have got.
My daughter-in-law said, as soon as I stopped recording, the baby said, Papa.
Yeah, he's been saying Papa a little bit.
Papa.
Yeah, well, we had our little trip. He said it a few times, and he's warmed up to me. And
easier to say.
He gives me 5, and he's my little buddy, and that made my day yesterday. I appreciate Taylor doing that. That was the sweetest thing ever.
Yes.
And they melt my heart. And Rhonda got me a new lid for my birthday. That was my birthday present, and I put a little bit of that in the video. And if y'all in the business for a cowboy hat, I don't know how many cowboys watch the channel, but Whiskey Hat Company, that's the guy that did the hat. I'll put a little bit of information about him in the description. She might get her one when next time they back around, but they travel around, but they local to our area, and I think he said he sells on Instagram. Nice fella. I talked to him. They're around our area, South Carolina, North Carolina. Anyway, nice people and awesome hat.
Yes, and y'all, the little picture he put in there of me in the hat, that was not my hat.
No, that was mine. Hat. She had my hat on.
He already had his hat, and I will just be honest, it was chilly, really cold. I was looking for whatever, so
she put it on her head.
I put it on. I don't care.
She didn't care. Yeah, and the baby kept wanting to play with it, so we put it on his head. So
there it is.
Yep.
But anyway, y'all, he had a good birthday.
I did. I really enjoyed it, and thank every one of y'all for the wishes and kind words. I really appreciate it. So make an old fella feel special, and I appreciate the kind words.
And he's finally as old as me. He can't be calling me his old lady no more.
Well,
not until July rolls around next.
She's got a few days, y'all, until I can start giving her grief again. But listen, I gotta give her grief because she looks like 20 years younger than me. I look like I'm robbing the cradle. She don't look 40.
Especially not today. I'm looking like nobody loves me.
No.
Look at my hair.
She has a very young face for her age, y'all. Y'all know it. I know it. She always says, "Oh," but that's the truth.
I'm just fat.
People can't ever believe when she says, "Oh, I'm a grandma. I got all these grandbabies." And they're like, "What?" They always are shocked. So yeah, I know the reality and the truth of all that. So anyway,
Anyway,
we rambling on.
We are.
Again, thank y'all for the birthday wishes. It was very special, and thank every one of you.
Yes. And until next time.
Peace.